Time of this video is to do item 6, find the height OE. So if I look in the diagram, O is here at the base and E is at the apex. In order to do that, I'm first going to start on the base. So I'm just going to draw the base here, the base of the pyramid. That's A, B, C, D. And I want to work out CO, and O sits here in the middle. If I want to find CO, that's half of AC. That's 5, that is 5. First I start with Pythagoras. In triangle ADC, it's a 90 degree at D. I will have that AC squared is equal to AD squared plus DC squared. Each one is 5, and 5 squared is 25. Together it's 50. So to backtrack the square at AC, I need to take the square root. So AC is just the square root of 50. Keep it precise. Let's not round it off at all. Therefore, if I want to find OC, I go half of AC, which is half square root 50. Why do I want OC? Because it forms part of the following triangle, which I'll draw here, which will be the final triangle. O on the base, E at the apex, and C there on the right hand side. So OC is a half of square root 50, EC is 6, I want to find OE. So again I'm going to use Pythagoras, this time in triangle EOC. I want EO, so I'll go EO squared equals the hypotenuse EC squared minus OC squared. EC is 6, so I square it. Then OC is a half of square root 50, and I need to square it. So 6 squared is 36. Square root 50 squared is just 50, and a half squared is a quarter, so it's 50 over 4. And that gives me 47 over 2. You can work it out on your calculator to check. Now I just need to backtrack the square at EO. Or OE, same thing. So EO equals the square root of 47 over 2. And you can check that on your calculator to 2 decimal places, it's 4.85. Then go double check that you have the right unit, and in the diagram it is centimeters. Thank you.